And a good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Austin Cheney here in the 13 WMAZ Weather Center. We are still tracking Tropical Storm Sally this evening, and as we get later into this week, the system is expected to bring us some rainfall here in central Georgia. So let's go ahead and get you up to date on the latest. Sally is a disorganized tropical storm this evening. The center of circulation is a little to the northwest of Tampa here in the Gulf of Mexico, and you see all the shower and thunderstorm activity is displaced well to the southeast of that center of circulation. So we know the storm is encountering some wind shear, making it a little lopsided, and that has limited how strong it has been able to get today. But still, winds are sustained at 60 miles an hour, and it is expected to become somewhat stronger as we go through the next day or so. So here's the latest forecast from the National Hurricane Center. The system will continue off to the west-northwest through the night tonight and into Monday. By Monday afternoon, we're looking at a Category 1 hurricane. Then by Tuesday morning, early Tuesday morning, we're looking at a strong tropical or a strong Category 1 hurricane approaching Louisiana or Mississippi here. New Orleans is dead center of the track, so of course that's not good for the city of New Orleans, but landfall is possible anywhere here along southern Louisiana into parts of coastal Mississippi. After the storm moves ashore, it is going to change directions and start moving back towards the east. And while there's still a lot of uncertainty as to where exactly that center could track, we know it's going to be moving towards the east, and that'll be giving us some increased rain chances as we go through the week. So the rest of tonight on FUTUREVIEW shows that those showers and thunderstorms that we have are loosely associated with this tropical storm, and those will be tapering off as we get later on into the evening. Then we go mainly dry for your Sunday night. Monday, we're kind of caught between systems. We have the tropical storm well to our southwest. We have an approaching cold front to our north, and being caught in between those two is kind of going to limit our rain chances as we go through Monday. So only a 30% chance of showers. The front eventually drops down in here as we go into Monday night, ushering in a cooler air mass. Now, all the tropical weather starts to come back into play again as we go into Tuesday. So by Tuesday morning, we have now Hurricane Sally approaching New Orleans. All that tropical moisture is going to start to overrun that cold front here in central Georgia, and that'll give us rain chances as we go through the day on Tuesday. The tropical system and those fronts kind of battle it out as we go through the middle of the week. We keep the rain chances elevated in the meantime. Then by Thursday, the remnant low is starting to pass to our north here in central Georgia. That really increases the rain chances for Thursday, but it also gives us the low-end severe weather threat as the system passes by. So definitely be aware of that as we go through the week. More updates to come on that part of the forecast. Then we go into Friday and Saturday. Yet another cold front comes in here that will finally clear out all of this moisture and end our rain chances as we get into next weekend. So all of this rain over central Georgia will really add up over the next several days. We're honing in on 2 to 4 inches of rain here between now and next Saturday night. So that's a good bit of rainfall for a 5 to 6 day time frame. But since it's going to be spread out over those 5 to 6 days and not all fall at once, hopefully we can avoid any flooding issues locally, but we'll continue to watch that forecast as we go through the next several days. The other concern is the possibility for severe weather. So I want to show you this setup which could lead to a few tornadoes. So we're going to have the remnant low of Sally pass off to our northwest. That puts us kind of to the southeast of the low, where there's a lot of twisting and turning of the winds as you go up in the atmosphere. So that situation Thursday into Friday could lead to at least an isolated severe weather threat. That's very typical with tropical lows, so watch that carefully as we get later into the week. So bottom line, we're looking at 2 to 4 inches of rain between now and next weekend. Again, that'll be spread out over the week, so hopefully we avoid flooding issues for the most part. Central Georgia does have at least an isolated tornado threat. That'll mainly be on Thursday and Friday, and significant wind impacts from the tropical storm directly are not likely here in central Georgia. That's the latest. We'll continue to get more updates as we go through the evening, and we'll keep you updated here online and on air at 13 WMAZ.